Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to hide archive chat in your WhatsApp. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your WhatsApp. Now press on this archive option. Now click on three dots. Press on archive settings. Here you can see keep chats archived. You just have to turn off the button. That's it. So this is how you hide archive chat in your WhatsApp. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.